In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Calendly meeting reminders. We'll start right inside your Calendly dashboard. Head to the Workflows area. This is where you can create automations that send messages on your behalf, so you never have to remember to nudge attendees again. Choose the email reminder to invitee option. This template gives you a strong starting point, and you can fully customize the timing and message to match your style. Next, give your workflow a clear, memorable name. Pick something that makes its purpose obvious, like client call reminder or webinar reminder, so it's easy to find and manage later as you add more automations. Decide which event types this reminder should apply to. You can target a single event type, a handful, or all of them. If you host different kinds of meetings, it can be helpful to keep separate workflows, so each reminder speaks directly to the context of that event. Now, look for the section that controls when the reminder is sent. Click Edit to adjust the timing. You'll choose how long before the event the message goes out, and you can set that in minutes, hours, or days. Think about your audience and the nature of the meeting. A day before reminder keeps things on the radar, while a short reminder, like 1 hour before, helps reduce last-minute no-shows. Select the unit you want, set the exact amount of time, and then click. Done to lock in those trigger settings. Move to the action area, the part labeled Do This, and click Edit. Here you'll tailor the email itself. Start with the subject line. Keep it concise and informative, clearly signaling it's a reminder and referencing the event. Then craft the body of the email. Use friendly, direct language and make sure it includes the essential detail attendees expect, such as the event name, date, time, and where to join. If you typically include prep materials or a brief agenda, this is a great place to add a short note so people arrive ready. For extra clarity and fewer no-shows, turn on the Include Reconfirmation button option. This adds a clear call to action that lets invitees confirm they're still attending or take the next appropriate step. It's a small addition that boosts attendance and sets expectations. When everything looks good, click Done to save your message settings. That's it. Your workflow is ready. From now on, Calendly will automatically send timely, consistent reminders for the event types you selected. And remember, you can always return to the workflow to fine-tune the timing or wording as your needs evolve.